Hello guys and welcome, and today I will show you how to build a gaming PC for $1,000. So let's get started. The processor is the Intel Core i5 4690K. This is the best choice for this build. It's clocked at 3.5 GHz, it's a quad-core processor, and it has 6 MB of cache. This processor comes at $230. The motherboard is the Asus H97i Plus. This is a very great motherboard for this build. It supports RAM up to 16 GB, and it's a mini ITX case, so it's very small. And also it has a new H97 chipset, which means that it supports the 4th gen and the 5th gen processors. This motherboard comes at $110. The graphics card is the EVGA GTX770. This is the best choice for this build. This graphics card can run any game at full ultra settings at 1080p. So this graphics card has a base clock of 1111 MHz, a boost clock of 1163 MHz, and it has 1536 CUDA cores and 2 GB of GDDR5 256-bit memory. This graphics card comes at $320. The SSD is the Kingston SSD Now 120 GB version. This SSD will put on it the OS and the OS applications. So this SSD is 10 times faster than traditional 7200 RPM hard drive. This SSD comes at $65. The hard drive is the Western Digital Blue 1TB. This is a very great choice for this build. It's 7200 RPM and it has 64 MB of cache. And also it has 1 TB of space, which is very enough for all our stuff. So this hard drive comes at $60. The RAM is the Corsair Vengeance 8 GB version. So this is the best choice for this build. It's clocked at 1600 MHz and also it has 8 GB of space, which is very enough for gaming. This RAM comes at $90. The case is the Bitfinex Prodigy, so this is a very great choice for this build. This case has a cool looking and also it's small, so it will not take a huge space on your disk, and also it has good airflow and good build quality. So this case comes at $70. The power supply is the Corsair CX600M. So this is a very great choice for this build. It's 80 plus bronze efficiency, and also it's semi-modular, so we will only use the cables that we need. This power supply comes at $60. Thanks for watching guys, be sure to like, subscribe and comment, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.